Mga idol, isang gabi na naman ng magic para kay LeBron James sa Philadelphia. Sa isang laban na halos hawak na ng kalaban, ipinakita ni LeBron ang kanyang galing sa clutch moments at hindi nag-atubiling i-assert ang kanyang sarili sa opensa. Sa kanyang interview pagkatapos ng laban, sinabi ni LeBron, "Alam mo, yung isa lang talagang hindi mo na maibabalik kapag tapos ka na maglaro ay yung arena na iyon. Kaya kailangang sulitin mo bawat sandali." Dagdag pa niya, "Nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon na gamitin ang legs ko, pakiramdam ko ay maayos ang legs ko ngayong gabi. Kaya nagawang i-assert ang sarili ko sa opensa. Parang unang beses sa buhay ko na nag-mesh talaga ako."
So I've had so many of those moments there. It never gets old, and that's the one thing you won't be able to get back when you're done playing is that arena. That excitement of going out and either the excitement or the boos and the cheers or whatever the case may be. You'll never be able to get that back once you're done playing. And I understand I'm on the other side of the fence than the previous one. So to do it in a win is more important. That's what I hope. To be able to come up clutch in a win, that's even more exciting.
Samantala ayon man kay JJ Redick, hindi naman kailangan ni LeBron ng kumpiyansa, pero mahalaga minsan na maipaalala sa kanya kung ano ang kaya niyang gawin. Para sa kanya na may injuries at kailangang makahabol sa simula ng season kasama ang team na nasa magandang rhythm, kahit gaano kagaling, mahirap yan i-figure out.
I think LeBron needs confidence, but but it's a fair question because I do think it's important to be reminded every now and then of what you're capable of.
Si Luka Doncic naman ay nagsabi, "That was vintage Bron." Masaya rin siya na nandyan si LeBron para isalba ang Lakers ngayong gabi.
That was amazing. That was vintage Bron. So, we're happy he was there to save us. He had an amazing game. Obviously, amazing fourth quarter.
At si DeAndre Ayton, sinabi naman ang patungkol sa fourth quarter performance ni LeBron. "Clutch jeans. Parang pelikula ang pakiramdam. GOAT moment talaga. Ang saya ko, huminto pa nga ako sa pag-celebrate para mapanood siya at hindi mapalampas ang kahit anong galaw niya."
Clutch jeans. Felt like a movie. Yeah. That's about it.
What kind of?
It's like a movie. What do you mean? You ever watch a movie? I'm watching a movie. I feel like a movie. I was in the movie.
Grabe talaga si LeBron, mga idol. Kahit ang mga kakampi niya ay humahanga sa kanya at pinatunayan niya na hindi pa siya laos. Sa laban na ito, gumawa siya ng 29 na puntos, 7 rebounds, 6 na assists at 1 block. Kaya mga idol, wag pakampante ang ibang contender teams sa West, lalo na ang OKC Thunder dahil baka ma-upset pa sila ng Lakers.
Throwing that one down. LeBron tries another three. Yes, sir! The king! There's LeBron. James, he wants it. James with 2, with 1. LeBron.